Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
So we are going to look at each one of them in details, starting with Kingdom Monera. In Kingdom Monera, we are going to look at, as we've mentioned here, bacteria. So we shall look at the various examples of bacteria. So we'll start with examples. The common bacteria that we have that are responsible for the common diseases, we have, for example, the bacteria that causes cholera. We refer to that bacteria as Vibrio cholerae. So that name must be written scientifically according to the rules of binomial nomenclature, which we learned earlier. And this must be underlined as shown there. Another example of a bacteria, we have the bacteria that causes typhoid. We refer to it as Salmonella typhi. Also should be written scientifically. So you can also mention here that the first bacteria is the one that causes cholera. The second causes typhoid. Those are common diseases that we are familiar with or that we encounter in our everyday lives. So those are the bacteria that cause them.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.